In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square in your payment settings. We'll walk through each click together. I'll explain what you're seeing on screen, and I'll share a few helpful tips so you feel confident the whole way through. First, start in your dashboard and look for the settings option. It might appear as a gear icon or a tab labeled settings. Go ahead and click on settings to open your configuration area. This is where all of your key preferences live, including the tools you'll use to accept payments. Inside settings, find the section called Selling. This is the area dedicated to how you present and process your products or services. Click on Selling to open it, and then look for the Payments option within that section. Payments is where you manage your providers and methods, so click on Payments to move forward. On the Payments page, you'll see various choices for payment providers. Locate Square and click on it. This tells the system that you want to use Square for processing transactions. Once you click Square, the page will begin loading the connection flow. This can involve a redirect or an embedded window from Square. Now this part is important. Wait for it to load. Sometimes it can take longer than expected. Don't worry if it seems slow or a spinner keeps turning. It's normal for this step to take a while, especially if the system is verifying extensions, permissions, or secure connections behind the scenes. Just wait for it. Avoid refreshing the page or clicking away because that can restart the process and make it take even longer. Keep waiting until the sign-in prompt appears. When it's ready, you'll see a simple form asking for your email or phone number. Type your email address or your phone number associated with your Square account. This information is used to identify your account and guide you to the correct next step. Double check for typos so you don't get sent back to fix it. Once you've entered your email or phone number, click Continue. That's the action that confirms your details and moves you into the next part of the Square connection flow. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts provided by Square. If the page pauses again after you click Continue, give it another moment to finish loading. And that's it. You clicked on Settings, went into Selling, opened Payments, selected Square, waited for it to load, entered your email or phone number, and clicked Continue. Great job following along.